Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. Now go to the software info, and once you see build number, hit it 7 times. 6, 7, and as you can see, developer mode has been enabled. So let's go back to the previous window, and a bit lower, just under About Phone, you will notice developer options. Click on it to activate them. And as you can see now, you have access to truly advanced and useful features, and you can perform all of these operations. You can do whatever you want to here. And then once you want to switch them off, simply click on this switcher to turn off developer options. As you can see, they are no longer active. And once you go back, they disappeared. So that would be all. That's how you can activate and deactivate developer options. Enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.